What time is it? Anybody got a time check? Seriously? Where the fuck is everybody? Oh, there's one of them. Dude, we're rocking with 8 on opening day. Dude, my on feels fucking amazing. That ball is humming, boy. Yeah, no. Oh my God.
Coming at my head.
Yeah, I know.
Go to do a meeting real quick?
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, you want to come on out?
Oh, yeah. I don't know. Someone fucking write a lineup and then I'll tell you if it's dog shit or not.
And we only have 10 after 5? Is the only run rule?
I think so. I don't think anybody hit it, so I guess we'll find out when we get there.
Yeah, Trent, where's the pep talk?
Pep talk? Don't fucking lose. Dude, they lost by 11. I didn't think I'd have to do all that. I thought it was pretty self-explanatory. Good leave. There we go, we got one on. It's a good wake-up call. Back.
Nice poke.
If I could just fucking elevate a ball, that wouldn't be bad. It was. It's the pedo power. Torpedo power for legal reasons. I really didn't see that off the bat. Wake up! Dude, I smacked my balls on the ground. Hey, I started off the day with a barrel. It's more barrels than I had all last season. Run it! Oh, good hustle. Damn, that's a quick inning. Shit. I'll play it like extra deep. I mean, I can make it to first, but we gotta just try and play like outfield in the infield. 1 fastball, 2 curveball, and 4 changeup. Okay. Go to my left. Fence. See, like, I'm there. Hey, Shark. Attaboy. Attaboy. What? Oh my God, Chandler. All right. That was ugly, but we did it.
Yeah, but
Attaboy. Attaboy. Let's go, get him here. That's right. It's 2s. No fucking shot, we can't count.
3-2 full.
It's 2s. Oh my God. It's 2s. 2-2. We got 2.
Mike, you keeping track of balls and strikes?
We got 2. 2-2. We seriously can't count? Holy fuck. 2-2.
We're going 2-2.
I love it. Let's go right after him. Imagine it's 3-2. I edited the video, so. Hey, good throw around, catch. Good throw around.
That's on me.
Damn. Damn, bro. Bad look. Bad looks. Bad look. If we had 10 guys, we'd never let that slide. Oh. What? What in the fucking men's league? We got 7 guys. That's all we need. 7 guys in a dream. 7 guys in a dream. Oh, Mitch, let's go, baby. Only we had badges.
Oh, ball!
That's a big man. I wouldn't take that. That was personal. Oh, baby, run it. Get out. Oh. Run it. Drop. Fuck, no, no, he's off. Attaboy. Oh, yeah. What else?
Swings like, bro, we're gonna find some barrels here quick.
Oh, good act. You're good. Good AB. Loki thought it was corny at first. Oh, baby. Tag. We're putting balls in play. It's just a matter of time until someone catches a game-breaking barrel. Run it. That's a gap.
Down.
Hey, you gotta get down. You gotta get down. Let's go. Good hustle. Hey, we're good. Good act. We're on the board. Hey, roll it. Attaboy. In front. There you go. Attaboy. Man, he's showing his age with that pop time. Jeez. Attaboy. I want to hit.
Let me know if he's going.
No, I'm good. Yeah, I'm going to let him steal. Go for it. Oh my God. Yeah, I know your arm hurts after that one. Ew. Okay. No. Let him steal. Fuck Chandler. One. We're back.
That was clutch because he was stealing on that, so he's making it.
I let him steal. I said, see me move off the bag, let him steal. Fuck Chandler.
Did you say Severino too?
Yeah. No, he's actually adopted, though. Don't let the name fool you.
Tripping.
Always looks like a fucking idiot. Oh yeah. There you go. Get over. It's over. Oh! Merry Christmas! Look what I found.
Somehow he caught that, but not mine.
Yeah, but not the one right to him. Hey, nice rip, Mitch.
I'll take a barrel.
Which that's when I got optimistic. I saw him take a step.
Talking automatic out.
But we added a guy because we only have we had 7, so we just stuff him at the end.
Can you still do that with 8 or do you get an automatic out without having your 9?
Well, he's at the end of our lineup, so he would be coming up after him.
After him?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we didn't like sub him in. He's gonna be just coming up the rear.
Ask him if they care.
Yeah. Do you guys care if we just add a guy? It's one guy. It makes it 8.
Yeah, that's fine, but not having 9 means 1 out, right?
Cool. Yeah, we'll just do that. We'll just run with 1 out.
Yeah.
So yeah, after 8 whole hits, we'll just add an out. This is Zoo Party's fault. I'll never let him forget this shit. Dude, that's fucked. I didn't. What's the fucking point? We're already getting beeped on defense. Like, come on, the pink everything was supposed to be showing that we're a charity case team. Like, this is the Make-A-Wish team. Give me a break. I'm here because I made a wish. All right. Chandler low-key catching barrels today. God, it's so fucking cheap. Maybe we could bribe him. I already did. I paid him on time. Dash like at the thing. The odds were like, well, we're. Oh! Hey! Oh!
Yeah, I signed a waiver. I'm not liable.
Oh, good steal. You're up. Atta boy. Damn, bro. No, once we get the 2 outs, like Matt's our last chance to get RBIs.
Oh my gosh,
Jeff, did you? Did you?
Go, 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 go!
Hell yeah, get the 3!
Here you go, Jeff!
We got 3!
Oh, that guy's got a
Baby, go! Oh, he dropped it! Atta boy! Yes, sir!
Somebody get an oxygen tank.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Let's go, Matt. No, we're done. We're done. Woo! Yeah, and then they get rewarded. I love this. It's like the getting shelled tax. They get to get shelled, and then we get to go back in the field.
That's crazy.
Well, welcome to men's league, dude. This ain't T-ball anymore. Don't let the physique fool you. I take 1 hard 90, and I'm having a heart attack. Atta boy, good stuff. Hey, nice throw around catch. Nice throw around catch. No, it's too late. I don't want to see a throw around. You throw it around, we're playing with 7. Atta boy. Dude, that is like middle too. Atta boy. Atta boy. Hey, nice throw around catch.
Hey, maybe the next one.
Yeah, next one.
At this point, we'll just start it next week. Hey, Zip Recruiter. Yeah, I just need a catcher that can throw it around. Ooh, Chert. That was gross, bro. And then you spike it? What are you doing?
That's a good pitch.
No, it was, brother, you're cooked.
That's Chandler's punishment for not throwing it around.
Bad boy, you get a fastball in the dirt. Oh yeah! Holy doors. No, just put it back. I've never seen 75 look so electric. Whatever happens, it is Zoo Party's fault. Run it. Hard 90. Ooh.
I thought this guy was gonna guess it because out at short he was throwing it hard.
Damn it, dude. There you go.
Only that. Yeah. I just fucking chased. Oh.
Back.
He dropped it. It's on the ground. You had a buck?
You can't move like that. It's not occupied.
Okay, bet. Oh, dude, fuck. It's the downside of having 8 guys. We actually have to play some ball, dude. I'm used to just talking shit and then just hitting the ball far. That's it. Boy. That's out. There you go. Get in there.
No, stay.
Dude, why would you do that? I'm gassed. We got a whole team of unks. Back. Hey, back. Not even close.
Damn, bro.
Boy. You're there. Attaboy. I'm gassed. I hate stealing bases. Fuck this shit. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. I can't breathe. I need fentanyl actually. Fentanyl would help me. That's so fucked. Oh yeah! My Schiller good. Get in there, Mitch. Get in there, Mitch! You're up! My bad. Let's fucking go. Belt to ass, BTA. They're all fresh out of high school, so. This is basically their Super Bowl. Their Super Bowl is a bunch of meth addicts and Trevor. Hey, there's an open bag at second. That's unacceptable. Walk my happy ass home. Get through. Beat it, Drew, beat it! Hey, way to get dirty, catcher. Fucking bomb. Hey, I know you're leading the team in RBIs, but you're really pissing me off. Yeah, idiot. That is not ideal. Can we get a double steal, please? Oh, yeah! We're scoring! Hey, keep going! Keep going!
Inside the park, go! You gotta go!
That's it, you gotta keep running. Yeah, the get shell tax. You gotta keep running. Chandler, score check. I think it's 8-0. Our catcher is fucking useless, dude. He can't even count. Chandler, right on you, Chandler. Right on you.
That was my first time ever experiencing that.
Hey, this is your last game, by the way. I got an Alcoholics Anonymous I can recruit from. No way. I was gonna say no way. That's neat. Oh! Oh! Atta boy! Holy, delayed. Atta boy! Oh shit! Broken bat? I thought you had him. Trent! Did you just ruin my perfect game? You gotta throw harder. Fuck you. Atta boy! Remember to throw it around twice. What? Oh, fuck. We're good. Hey, score update. It's 8-1.
Hey, 4 means home.
Yeah, I told him 2. Fuck you. Throw more strikes. I don't know.
You know, my bad on the call.
What? No, that was good call. I just ignored it. You're back on seal. Oh boy. Runner! Atta boy! Seriously, we can't throw a no-hitter in men's league? What's wrong with you? This team sucks.
Hey, was that 3 or 4 innings?
That was 4. Hey, since you suck ass and you gave up a hit, I'll come in next inning if we get over 10 so we can get a mercy rule. We need 3. We score 3, we throw a shutout, we're done.
Are you serious?
Yeah, because they got shelled. If you didn't give up a hit,
Trent, that was all
probably
you.
would have had a no-hitter.
That was all you.
That's fine, I'll save the day. It's whatever. You know, I'll just clutch up. I'll just, you know, put the team on my back. I'm scared. Good leave. Atta boy. Good leadoff spot.
Oh, Jerry, go.
You're up. Oh.
I fucking smacked my balls again.
There you go. Nice eye.
What? Yep, take it. You're up. 20, oldest is like 29.
Run it.
Yeah, score.
Oh, now I get to go sit down.
He is on. Good act.
Get down.
Ooh.
Boy.
That might be the hardest, farthest.
What do we need? 2 more? 1? I'm about to shit my brains out. Collegiate ball. This is men's league. Good boy, Mitch! Holy heck. I say we just have me go 1. Just throw fastballs. Oh my. Oh, that didn't go nowhere. We got the getting shelled tax coming up too. We need to score.
Dude, is that maxed out?
Hey, I like it. Maybe a strategic strikeout to get Chandler off the bases. I kind of team player. That's a team player.
Oh, that's perfect. I got it.
They just don't want to see you win, dude. Nobody better stop running. You run until you can't. Get there! Vine. You leave. What?
Strategic walk.
Oh. The get shell tax.
Ball's in, coming down.
Damn, someone wants to go home. Damn, someone really wants to go home. First pitch strike. Dude, my stomach fucking hurts. Oh boy. That was the weakest strikeout call I've ever seen. Even the umps don't want to be here, bruh. Oh, another blowout. Oh. Oh boy. Dude, I'm literally like this close to shitting my pants. Oh my God, I want to go home. Can we strike out faster, please? Oh boy. No, we didn't. Oh boy, good stuff. GG's, fellas. Hey, leave that ball. That's not a no-hitter ball. Leave it. Post-game dirty Sprite, anybody? Would anybody like to indulge in some cough syrup and Sprite? What's wrong with you two? What is wrong with my team, bro?